Today's date, 7/8/2012, 11:45 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We have before us the Dow Jones Transportation Average Index. One of the things that we're going to find out is they had jammed this to all-time highs up here right along with the regular Dow. And on this weekly level, that's a calendar high, that's the double top, and of course, that's that ascending. But see, the transports only came down here, and they hit that 4,800. That was a double bottom from the calendar 2011 right here, where the uptrend started to those highs. We tested it and we came right up here to this wall of resistance. Granted that you got lower gasoline, but I can tell you Iran is a real threat, and the reason why the transports could do better is because of that. But the whole thing about it is, if transports that are going into the earnings season, as we're going to find out behind the scene of the names that are involved in the DJT. There is some in here. You got some that could have we'll be watching what UPS has to say. We'll be watching to see what JB Hunt Trucker has to say. That FedEx that did the last quarter, they weren't looking all that bright. Here's a rail CSX in here. Well, the key about the transports is, if the economy is growing, you're shipping more. If the economy is shipping less and contracting, then we're not producing and long hauling. Now, with the amount of fuel prices and energy prices and gasoline prices at the current stage at all-time lows, consumption, supply and demand. The thing that we look for in the transports during the earnings season is that we're at a major top. We have the weekly bottom, we got the weekly top, and we have a slight. So we're above all the key weekly moving averages. We're going to watch and see how they hold. The support level is going to be right there at this, right above the 5,000, about 5,025 area. And also right down above this 5,000 area. That's where we got that support level. All eyes will be on the Dow Jones transports. We want to know what this U.S. economy is doing, who's transporting what is their cost, what are their margins, what does lower fuel costs look like, what are the long haulers in the trucking business doing, how are the airlines price gouging U.S. consumers and places around the world. I will tell you that there is a slight buy signal to the transports. Transports lead rallies up and transports lead rallies down. That is right now declining 10-week moving averages, narrow range top at resistance. It's vulnerable. If the transports go down, then the broader markets go down. Transports lead rallies up. They also lead rallies down.